Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Wednesday, August the 7th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. And this is a link to get into our free room, 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to come into our free room. I open the room every morning at 9 o'clock Eastern. I go up to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays and up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. And I share my screen. I'm on live on the mic that whole time. In the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for our test drive, which again is just a couple of days away, really. Starts on Monday, and for $8.99, you'll be able to have our premium service for 5 trading days, all right? So again, a lot of people ask for a free trial. We don't have them. We do this 4 times a year, and so great opportunity to try us out. If you can afford $8.99 for 5 trading days, now is the time to do it. If you sign up today, basically you're pre-registering. You will not get live data, of course, until Monday morning at 7 o'clock Eastern. That's when we start getting our live data. Well, this is my big miss, unfortunately, and this is from the AI. I kind of let my emotions get away from me on this one. It was kind of a choppy one all around. Not very many from the AI curated. The only one really that did anything of note was Neil. The rest of them really didn't do anything. But Neil from $25 alert and $25.80 now. Choppy, you know, and that's what kind of kept me out of it. But my goodness, that certainly was a good alert. Very few alerts from the AI curation. The same for the evening scan. But look at these two. Now I'm in this one right now, NPT, and it's been a bit of a challenge. I didn't get in at 587, but it's at 629 right now. I didn't get in at the beginning because, you know, when the market opened, this is what it was doing. You know, this is, oh, it's 9 o'clock. I'm sorry, this is what it was. This is what it started to do. I'm wrong. I thought it was, oh no, this is before the market opened. That's right. So it was really doing this. It really didn't look like a wise idea to go long anything. But I did try it once. I got chopped out of it, but I'm back in here around 624. And then the other one that worked out extremely well too was the Sohu, 959 on the alert, and basically straight up to 1023 on the 15-minute chart. Anyway, I shouldn't say that. There was one bottoming tail there, so you know you would have had to probably take some out. But after that, you know, this was a really nice one in the face of a market that was really, really erratic, and you know, there's a lot of gloom right now with the overall market. So that was a really good one. And then on the downside, cars, not bad. I mean, 987. I mean, not great. Got down to 969. This one is frustrating the heck out of me. I'm still looking to short this one. Excuse me. If you look at it on a weekly and monthly chart, there's nothing underneath. But it just will not budge off that 750. I actually, I got into this one twice actually. There was the alert at 1727, and I actually scalped it, and then it came up. I got back into this at 1790, and it just wasn't moving, and I decided to get out. I took a little loss on it. Now it's starting to move. I have to make up my mind if I want to get back in it pretty soon. So that's that. Now, in the pre-market, I did something I don't often do, but I took this one, and I may be getting back into this one on the long side. I took this one on a short. Now, the reason I took this on a short in the pre-market is that this one is, well, now it's only down 19%, but, you know, this was down a lot. And, you know, when the market opens, it's very tough sometimes to get a stock that's down 10%. The uptick rule is in effect, and you might be in a queue of everybody else who wants to short it, and there has to be some action at the ask before the action at the bid, but you may be, you know, last in line or way down. So, but in the pre-market, there was no uptick rule. So anyway, bottom line is I was able to short this one really nicely on that, the break under the 8 level, and, you know, all the way down into this level here. And now I'm waiting to see, along with Real and a bunch of others in the room, see if it can take out this right there, and I may go long on it. And let's see what else is happening. That's about it. I want to get back into the room, but just wanted to show you that, I mean, you're not getting very many alerts from the curator, from the two curations, but quality. So I'll take the quality over the quantity any day. However, I do recognize that I'm probably going to have to make some changes to the filters because, a lot of these alerts are around the fact that they released earnings either today, yesterday, or the day before. So that's why they're kind of still in play. And so what I might have to start doing is, maybe, I've got a relative volume of 2, maybe reduce that to 1.5. Maybe instead of having to break yesterday's high, maybe I put that at 85%, so it's within 15% of yesterday's high, and see what happens, because I don't want to have just one alert a day. But we'll see. I mean, next week we still have 800 companies releasing earnings. This week we had 1,400 though. That's why it's been so frantic. All right, we'll close this down, bring back the capture program. And again, if you want to follow, by the way, if you want to follow the evening scan next day, all of this, that's now on my channel bar, or not my channel bar, but my channel within the channel bar called Barry's Windows. They've completely revamped it. And so, of course, what I do every morning or every evening is I go through the evening scan and I get a bunch of symbols that I'm going to be following the following day. And so you can follow along with the same symbols that I have. All right, I want to get back into the room. So if you have any questions for me, here's the email address, link to get into our free room. Don't forget the test drive link is here. I'm going to open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock. So hope everybody has a great evening. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.